Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm going to teach you a new topic which is index number. So index number is actually a measure used to indicate the average change of a specific quantity with respect to times. So it's definitely something that very easy. This topic is very easy. So I'm going to give you a review of what we are going to you are going to learn for index number. Let's say you want to buy a smartphone. So you wanted to buy a smartphone, or you have already bought a smartphone on 2019 and it costs you like 300 ringgit. So is there any smartphone that costs you like 300 ringgit? It's okay, I don't mind. Okay, so let's say that you wanted to buy another new smartphone, the same one, the same model, but this year. So let's say that this year you have bought it with the price of 400 ringgit. So we want to see what's the percentage of changes of these prices, compared prices between 2019 and 2020. Okay, so that is index number. So basically this is the formula for index number. Okay, so first thing first, you have to know the quantity of base time, and the quantity of specific time. In this case, what I mentioned just now for the smartphone just now, Q0 means the quantity of at base time where it's at 2019, and Q1 is at specific time where it is at 2020. Okay, so the formula that you need to understand and you need to memorize. You don't need to memorize this. This will be given in the formula. Okay, so this is the formula that you need to understand. So we are going to find the price index for certain things, certain object. Okay, so P0 means the price at the base time, means that the previous time, yeah, base time means previous time. The price of the same item at specific time, which I can say like now or current. Okay, so you will get the price index. Okay, now next, so I just jump into the example. Okay, I will jump into the example because this is very easy. Okay, so example 1, the price. Okay, just now we say that I is the price of an item at base time. P1 is price of same item at specific time. Okay, so let's go to example 1. The price of a certain type of a packet drink in the year of 1995 was 50 cents a packet, and its price in the year of 2000 has increased to be 75 cents a packet. Now, do you see any differences of the prices between these two years? Okay, so calculate the index number for a packet of that drink in the year 2000 using the year 1995 as the base year. So we can say that 1995 is priced at the base year and 2000 at the current years. So how are we going to do this? Okay, this is super easy. You need to understand which one is PO and which one is P1. So as I mentioned earlier, PO is actually P1995, which gave you RM 50 cents. 50 cents, yeah? Sorry, 50 cents. Okay, P1 is the price at 2000. So the price is RM 75 ringgit. Okay. Now, so this is the solution, because you know that the formula is I equals to P1 over P0 times with 100. So in this case, our index number is actually it's now I 2000 base 1995. So we can write like this so that you will not get confused. Over 1995, which is equals to P1. P1 is the price at 2000 over price at 1995 times with 100. So here you go. 75 cents for price at 2000 and 50 cents for the price of the same item in year 1995. Take your calculator, then you get the price index is equals to 150. Okay? As simple as that. You don't need to put the percentage at the end of the answer. Okay? Okay, next one. This is example 2. So we are going to look it one by one. We are going to go through one by one. What is example 2? The following table shows the prices for 3 items A, B, C in the year of 1992 and the year of 1995 together with their respectively price indices. So, the question is, calculate the values of X, Y, and Z. Now, you see, so this is the price given of all these items in accordingly to the prices. So this is the price index. So this is the I. I is based on the year of 1995, based on the year of 1992. Okay, so this is the price in 1995. This is the price of 1992. Okay. So in this case, we already have the price index, but we don't have the price in year of 1995. Can we do this? Can we solve this question? Yes. Okay. So, remember our formula. 1995 based on 1992 is equals to price at 1995 over price at 1992. Please make sure that you know what is your price, the base price, yeah? Okay. So in this case, we have 5 ringgit. We don't know this. We have the price index for 1995 based on 1992. So let's see. For question B, for item B, we don't have the price in 1992, but we have the price in 1995 and we have the price index as well. So, for item C, we both have the price for 1992 and 1995, but we don't have the price index. Okay, can we solve this? Yes, we can. This is super easy. So, first thing first, the question number 1, you don't have the price at 1995, right? But you have the price at 1992. Okay, so what you need to do is that you just need to take everything to the right and you'll get the price at 1995 where this is equals to X. So for question 2, you don't have the price at 1992, but you have the price, you don't have the base price, but you have the price of 1995 and you have the price index as well, index number as well. So you can solve and you'll get Y. And for the last one, you don't have the price index. What you need to do is that you find the price index, you slot in and put inside the formula and you'll get the answer. Okay? As easy as that. Don't you think this is easy? Easy, right? Okay. Let's go to the third question. So, in this third question, let's read this slowly. Now, in example 3, the price indices for a certain item in the year of 1990 and 2000 based on the year of 1990 were 115 and 120 respectively. Okay, in this case, you have to jot down, you have to write down what is written and you have to take out the information in the example. So, the question said that the price index of an item at 1990 based on the year of 1990. 1999 based on 1990, which is equals to 115. And one more is 2000 based on 1990 is equals to 120. Now the question is, we have to calculate the price indices for the item in the year 1990 and 1999 if the year 2000 was used as the base year. Now in this case, we have to take the base as for 2000 as the base year. So what do we need to do? We have to find the price indices, the price index for 1990 first. Okay, how to find the price indices for 1990 based on 2000? Okay, so we have 120, meaning that this is the price index for 2000 based on 1990. In this case, what we want to find is we have to switch the position, right? So 1990 now is the numerator and 2000 becomes the base. So what we do is that we take this as 100 because the price at 1990 does not changing. So we say that it's 100 over 120 times with 100. Okay? Okay. Did you understand about this one? So meaning that for price for 1990, there's no additional or there's no increases or decreases in that year. The price is not increased, the price is not decreased. So we say that it is static at 100. So in the year of 2000, the price has increases to 120. So 100 over 120 times with 100. Okay, so you'll get wait, yeah, let me calculate that first. You get 83.33. So that is when you want to find 1990 over 2000. But what if I want to find the price index of 1999 to 2000? Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, the first one I mentioned just now is where you have to find 1990 to 2000, where this one you have changed this as I mentioned earlier, because 1990 there's nothing change, there's no increase or decreases for the prices, so it stick to 100. So for this one it increases to 120, that's why you get 1 over 1.2. okay, so it comes from 100 over 120 actually. So times with 100, then you get 83.33. Now, for price index of 99 on base 2000, there's a little things that you need to understand. We are going to use chain rule. Okay? Because we want to find... Okay, wait. I'm going to rewrite back. For price index of 99 over 90, this is equals to 115. The price indices for year 2000 to year 90, it's equals to 120. This is the info that we need to understand. Okay, so let's say, so the chain rule become, if we want to find the price index of 99 on base 2000, okay, we have to find the price index, the index number of 99 over 90 times 90 over 2000. You see, what did I mention earlier? The chain rule. You see, the chain rule means that this must be equal to this one, so that we can finally, we are going to simplify that. So 99, price of 99, base of 90, do we have that value? Yes, we have that value, which is equals to 115. This is actually 115 over 100 times with 90 over 2000. We have it just now, 83.33 over 100, and then we have to multiply it with 100. Okay, or if you don't want to find to divide it with 100, you can put 1.15. Okay, so if you multiply this together and you times it with 100, then you will get the price index to be 95.83. Okay, I hope you can understand this one. I'm going to go further for this kind of question later, but now we are going to go to composite index. Okay, composite index is easy as well. So there are formula of composite index, and I need to close this one first. Okay, so this is the composite index formula. Okay, so the composite index formula is E, summation of I, the price index, times with W. W is the weightages, or in bahasa Melayu it's pemberat. How much do we need that? In example, we want to do a cake, we want to make a cake, then how much, how many weightage, how much do we need that flour, an example flour, compared to eggs, compared to other ingredients. Okay, so that is weightage. You're going to see that later on. So this is sum of weightage. Okay, so this is the only formula for composite index. Okay, next one. So I'm going to rewrite the formula so that you will not get lost. So summation of price index times with weightage divided with summation of weightage. So in this case, let's see the question together. Example 4. The table below shows the prices indices for 4 types of fruit sold at a stall in the year 1998 based on 1997. Okay, with respective weightages. Calculate a composite index for the 4 types of fruits in the year of 1998 based on the year of 1997. Okay, so for composite index we have I cap. Okay, so this is easy. Why I said easy? You have the price index, you have the weightage. What you need to do, that you just need to multiply this and then you add with another fruits. 115 times 2 plus 105 times 4 plus 120 times 1 over with the total of weightage, sum of weightage. So 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1. So that's how you are doing it. Okay, so let's see the solution for question number 4. You have all the price index. So these are all the price index. These are all the price index for each fruits, and you multiply it with the weightage and divide it with the sum of weightage. There you go. So there you go. The price, the composite index for all items. Easy, right? So that's solution 4. Okay? Now, to the combination of index number, price index, and also the composite index. So in SPM, you are going to see this kind of question just like this. Okay? So let's do this together. Now the table below shows the prices, price indices, and number of components P, Q, and R used in the production of a certain equipment in factory in 2001. So we have three components here, which is P, Q, and R. So here you go. This is the price in 1990 and this is the price in 2001. You see, there's one missing value price in 2001 for component P, but then we still have the price index. That's not a problem. That can be solved. We can find X, and there's a missing value for number of component, or number of component. We can say that this is the weightage for component Q. So there's missing there, and it denoted by Y, but it's okay, we can still solve this question. So let's go to A, find the value of X. So remember, this is just a normal price index. You just need to find the price index. Okay, so let's go for A. A, you see, the price in 2001 is X, the price in 1999 is 40, and the price index is given with as 130. So we have 130 as the price index equals to X. We don't know what X is. Divided with 40, then you will get 52 ringgit. As easy as that. So that is the price for 2001. So for Q, let's look at question B. Given that the composite index for the three components in the year 2001 based on the year 1999 was 123, calculate the value of Y. So do you remember what is the formula to find the price index? It's I cap equals to sum of price index times with weightage divided with weightage of sum of weightage. Okay, so this one should be multiplied with this one should be multiplied with this one should be multiplied with this one, and then you divided it with 600 plus Y plus 100 for the sum of weightage. Okay, so there you go. So this is the way how to find the value of Y, or the weightage for the item Q just now. Okay, as easy as that. So there you go. So these are all the example that will be asked, the same question, the same type of question that will be asked in SPM to find the price or the price index for each item. Okay, I hope you can really understand, because this is very simple. Let's continue our class with the simple exercises that I will give after you watch this video. Okay, thank you very much. See you.